Here is NIKKE app. So this is a top role-playing app, Goddess of Victory, NIKKE. The rating for this game is 13 plus, including game purchases. So here's you have it. If you're interested, you can then just go and download it. It's quite popular, available in iOS App Store. So you can see 569 megabytes. All the updates you have. And you can just open it up. You can see, yeah, then you just also need to have all of these downloads, and yeah, so that's just how you get started.